Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you may be. This is Stuart here, and the product page that I had to develop was for blenders. So without any further ado, let me hop into my landing page and show you what I've developed. So this is the landing page, and before going forward, I've divided this video into 14 different sections. So one is I'm going to do a comparison between this site and my old site, what I've enhanced, what I've developed, the upgrades, so on and so forth, what I've added in the jQuery, the JSON data, how it's populated, then that's one part, and issues faced, how I handled it, how I maneuvered around it, and then I break down into the rubrics, the onload rendering, the jQuery validator form, the slideshow and carousel effects using jQuery, the ease in, ease out effect for all of that, and all of the above while keeping the page mobile friendly, responsive as possible, without breaking anything, as you see here before you, with the navbar burger icon in there. Back to what I was saying, all of the enhancements, the rubrics, populating of the latest offers on the web page, that's under this, uh, populating it with the JSON data, streaming across, the FlicKr API, uh, scouring Flickr website for images, tags, headings, and populating it all on my screen while the page is rendering. Then lastly, I'll also show you the CORS, how the site loads with CORS enabled and disabled. That will have to be on my local machine for me to show you how the JSON data is actually being streamed from the IBM server hosted on. Anyway, without any further ado, once again, let me start my presentation. Alright, this is the Carousel video effect. I tried adding some music, at least some sound with it, but Chrome apparently blocks that, unlike Safari and Firefox and every other browser. There's no workaround that, and truly speaking, no one would want a web page with music being played in the background. This is a button carousel effect of the various videos regarding blenders. This takes me straight to the special page, special section of my homepage with another carousel effect. This has the ease in and ease out effects, methods of jQuery, and return to the start. Um, there's also the expand and collapse with the ease in and ease out effect. This takes me to the about us section of the main about us section of my website. All of that, more details regarding the company, the locations, if they want the pinpoint location on Google Maps, uh, the stream of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Right now it's static because I'll have to set up individual accounts for this and stream that across. But this is basically different users, their stories, what they've got using our blenders, and how good they actually are. Um, that's what it's trying to accomplish. The contact us page, where I'm going to show you about the form validation. So let me go try submitting the form without any data populated. I'll put some data in there. It also has a password verification thing, so everything more than 8 characters is allowed, and both of these should match. The password doesn't match, so let me just put in some thing that matches. And there we go, message accept policy. As soon as we click this, it takes me to the thank you page with navigation menus back to my main site. Another thing I wanted to show you about the home page was our teams, the hover effect, again using jQuery, of each of our team members and their designations. The previous site, I failed to show you the comparison with my previous site and the new site. Well, here it is. It had these without the ease in effect. Again, it didn't have any JavaScript or jQuery, so everything seems all too sudden and quick on the animation. There was no footer, and also the images weren't compressed, so they seem kind of blown up. But again, that's as much as we could do with HTML and CSS. As the new site has them compressed, including the videos, so it did come to a good amount of MB. But after compressing a lossless compression, I managed to keep it well under a large file size. So again, this is the team section. I also have a newsletter subscription, so users could quickly sign up to our newsletters um, if they'd like to, message, and once again this takes us to the thank you page where they can navigate back to the contact us or the home page. Lastly, on this landing page, we have different little sections here which streams us back to different parts of the web page. I use section tags to segregate each part of this landing page. So specials, home, and teams. So users can better navigate without losing their way about. Let me go ahead and quickly show you the mobile responsiveness of the site. This is how it looks on a mobile device, and how it renders. Okay, back on track. I did show you the trainings. This is as per the first semester, various training sections. Again, the responsiveness of the site. And after it collapses beyond a certain degree, yeah, a more mobile friendly outlook of the website. Oh, and the bug icon can take us wherever the user wants to. What else? Oh, the FlicKr, this FlicKr part. So this connects to the FlicKr API and streams data in based on various tags the user would like to search for. So I've just punched in sky, scroll down, loads the heading of different posts made on FlicKr, their images posted, heading, tag names, details, so on and so forth. So that's the FlicKr part. The most important part, at least before I show you that, I'll go ahead and show you the media page. That's my media page. If they would like to contact us directly there. Training is something I already showed you. Yeah, the special section is our products based on brand, category, so on and so forth, all organized and also responsive, as I said earlier. Okay, the important part that I wanted to show you was this carousel effect, and this is done, all this data you see before you is the JSON data streamed in from my JSON file right here, hosted on the IBM server. So yeah, I've added a little carousel effect of the JSON data and a tabular format of the same. So 40 products as you requested as per the rubrics. With that being said, I said I was going to show you what it looks like for my local machine without CORS enabled. Everything is blocked, security policies, so on and so forth, and I go ahead and enable CORS and refresh, and voila, the tabular format of the data and the carousel effect of the same. So that's my site in a nutshell. Hopefully this is according to the standards and meets all the rubric requirements. And thank you for hearing me out, and have a wonderful day ahead.